Okay, hello everyone. This is the CPI course, page 48. We are going to talk about the difference between the nominal value and a real value. To explain this, we take a simple example with a firm A, which is producing some goods, and the first year she will produce a quantity of 15 units and the selling price is 10. So the nominal value, this column, is equal to 150. In other words, it's the quantity times the price, 150. Second year, 15 quantity, the same quantity, but the price is higher, 12, for any reasons, and the nominal value is equal to 15 times 12, 180 nominal value. The nominal value, in this example, you can compare it with the total sales of the firm A. What we need now is to take into consideration the CPI of the period. Always fix the CPI of the first period, year 1, to the CPI is equal to 100. And let's imagine that the prices is following exactly the CPI. So in other words, the increase in price there is due to the CPI that is also increasing. So between year 1 and 2, you face a 20% of increase in prices. That's why the price is increasing the same way. What is new is to calculate the last column is the real value of the production. To calculate this last column, we are going to use this very simple formula, which is real value is equal to nominal value over CPI times 100. That's always the same formula, so easy to understand. Any real value, it's the nominal value over CPI times 100. So to calculate these two numbers, you use the formula nominal value, year 1, 150, over CPI of the period, over 100 times 100 is equal to 150. For the second year, the nominal value is 180 over CPI, 120, times 100, and you find 150. So when you calculate the real value, you eliminate the effect of inflation. This is important. You just eliminate the effect of inflation. So the real value with this formula is the same. In other words, we eliminate the effect of inflation. We consider that the CPI is the same with this formula. When you divide by the CPI, you eliminate the effect of inflation. So I read from year 1 to year 2, the production of the firm has increased, has increased in nominal terms only, In real terms, last column, in volume, it has not changed because we eliminate the effect of inflation with this formula. If we calculate the real value of the production for the year 2, now we did it. See, the calculus is here, 180 over CPI times 100, and the real value produced is 150. That's a very simplified model for the first firm. Let's have a look on the firm B. Firm B, you have 3 years, 1, 2, 3. Quantity produced, 15, 18, 20. The price, 10, 10, 13. So the price doesn't change for the first 2 years. And obviously the CPI follows the prices. So 100, 100, 130, which is exactly the same increase as the price. Nominal value, this column is always equal to quantity times price. 150, quantity times price. 180, quantity times price. 260. So what we have to do is to calculate the last column here, the real value, with the formula we saw, this one, nominal value over CPI times 100, and you find 150, 180, and 200. That's the real value of the production without the effect of inflation. That's important. So, conclusion from year 1 to year 2. Year 1 to year 2, the production has increased in real terms by 30 francs. That's this difference, 30 francs. So, without the effect of inflation, we can say that the volume has increased, but not the price. And the volume has increased is there. The volume has increased, but not the price. The price doesn't change. So, in other words, the firm B has really increased the production with more quantity and nothing to do with an increase in prices. Now it's different from year 2 to year 3. I will use a green pencil. So from year 2 to year 3. Okay, year 2 to year 3, the real value goes from 180 to 200. And we can already see that the quantity has increased, okay, 18 to 20, but the price has also increased. So that's maybe something important for the rest. So from year 2 to year 3, we must compute the real value of the production. Okay, we did it. There, 200, 200. And this amount equals the volume produced multiplied by the price of year 1. That's important. Hello, let's go. The production is 20. And the price of year 1 is this one. Okay, so we multiplied the quantity, the real quantity produced on year 3 with the price of year 1. If we do so, it's as we eliminate the effect of inflation. 20 times 10 is 200, and this is the number we find here. Good, 200. And what we can also ask you as typical questions is to calculate the percentage change of the real value from year 1 to year 3. So let's take another, sorry, voilà, c'est un petit crayon de ma fille. Donc, the idea is to calculate the percentage change between the real value of year 1 and year 3, these two numbers, okay. So, in that case, we use the formula percentage change, arrival minus departure over departure times 100. So, arrival is 200 minus 150 over 150 times 100, 33.3%. So, conclusion, when we eliminate the effect of inflation thanks to this wonderful formula here, nominal value over CPI times 100, so when we eliminate the effect of inflation, we can see that the production in real value has increased by 1/3, And indeed, it's the case. 150, 1/3 is 50. So you just add 150 plus 50 is equal to 200. Okay, that was a small tutorial with this page 48 to explain the difference between nominal value and the real value. Real value, it's, to conclude, without inflation. Good. Thanks for your attention, guys. Bye bye.